Today is Snack Eater One's birthday, and we're at the park, and we're gonna be playing the Three Little Pigs. All right, Dad's gonna have to play the Big Bad Wolf and the third pig too.
Here's a story. It's being played about three little pigs. And there's three pigs that make a house, and then the Big Bad Wolf blows their house down, and then at the end there's a brick house, and this is gonna be the brick house.
Alrighty, so go in your house, and I'm gonna play the wolf, okay? All right. I am the Big Bad Wolf, and I am very hungry today. I'm gonna go knock on this little pig's house. Who is it?
It's me!
Little pig, please let me in. Well, I'm gonna huff, and I'm gonna puff, and I'm gonna blow your birthday girl party away. All right, you gotta run to your sister's house now. You better run, you better run. All right, 5 minutes later.
Her house is made of bricks.
Yep, house made of bricks. 5 minutes later. Knock at the door.
Who is it?
It's me, the Big Bad Wolves. Little pigs, please let me in.
Not my hair.
Well, I'm gonna huff, and I'm gonna puff, and I'm gonna blow your house down. You all better run to your big brother's house. All right, just stay right there now. All right, Big Bad Wolf, remember he can't blow this house down, okay?
Who is it?
It's me, the Big Bad Wolf.
Slide on the slide.
Little pigs, please let me in. Well, I'm gonna huff, and I'm gonna puff, and I'm gonna blow your house down. But the Big Bad Wolf huffs, and the Big Bad Wolf's puff, and he can't blow the house down. So the Big Bad Wolf is so sad. Alrighty, let's see. All right. Go ahead, birthday girl. Slide down. Alright, and it. Alright, hold this now. Turn it to the Big Bad Wolf, and you're gonna light the fireplace. Look at that. So the Big Bad Wolf is me, the daddy. And now what happened is the Big Bad Wolf couldn't get in, and I tried to go down the chimney, and it light a fire and on the fireplace, and you gotta get me, and it burned me, and I had to run. The end, the Big Bad Wolf.
Goodbye, guys. Wait for part 2.